KCET 2025 aspirants, so KCET 2025 registration and online application filling process dates are now closed. Okay, so I hope that those who wanted to write your KCET 2025 examination have already filled the form and paid the fees. Okay, now in this video I'll be talking about what next. Okay, so what are the things that will be happening following the registration process, what you should be doing. So everything I will discuss in detail so that you have a clarity of what all things are going to happen next. Okay, so this will help you to keep yourself ready for the process. So many of you will be writing the examination for the first time, so you might not be knowing what exactly the events that will take place after this. So I will be giving you a brief explanation as well as the dates that are the expected dates for these processes. Okay, so yes, let's get started. This is very important video, so please watch the complete video so that you can have a clear picture of the exam and its upcoming events. Okay, so yes, in this video first we'll be discussing the sequence of events, and then I'll be talking about the things that you need to do to keep yourself prepared and ready for the process. Okay, now let us see the schedule here. Just a minute. Okay, so yes, the first one is, you can see, commencement of registration and filling of application online in payment of fees for CET 2025. This process is already completed. The dates where it started from 23rd of January 2025, and submission of original documents to the principal of the respective college along with CET 2025 and claim certificate. Now this process is going on. Okay, I will be giving you more information about this particular process. There is some important update regarding this, so I'll be telling you this in a next slide. Okay, so please wait. Last date of filling the application online, this is already done. So it was 18th of February before, now it was extended to 24th of February, right? And the last date to pay the fees was 25th February, right? These two dates have been extended, so that is also over. After this, what date of downloading of admission tickets by all the eligible applicants. Now when you write board exams, you get a hall ticket or admission ticket, right? Similarly, one admission ticket will be given to you for writing your KCET examination. Okay, when will this admission ticket will be released? It will be released on 7th of April 2025 as of now. Okay, it may be delayed, it may be preponed based on the time at, we can say, at that point of time, but as of now the date that is decided to release the admit card is 7th of April 2025. Okay, now this is very important. You should be keeping this hall ticket safely because it is required during your admission process. Next, what we have, date of commencement of entrance test. So our exams will be on 16th and 17th of April. Okay, so you have remember the timetable have already discussed. Then the Kannada test will be on 18th of April. So those students who have opted for Kannada in this exam, in the KCET examination, for them the exam will be conducted on 18th of April. So up to this, the thing is very clear. Okay, now what happens? Those students who have done for agriculturist quota, for them this is very important. Verification of documents for agriculturist quota at the respective practical test centers will take place. The dates will be notified for you, like it is not yet out now. And date of practical exams for UG course application for agriculture, horticulture, veterinary university under agriculturist quota. So if you have this agriculturist quota, then you have to write one practical exams that for if you have chosen the courses like agriculture, horticulture and veterinary universities. So in this case the dates will also be announced later. Okay, now coming to this important point, that is submission of original documents. Now once you have submitted the application form, and next when you see, if you download it after some days, you can find a claim settlement, I can say claim verification status, like claim verified, claim not verified, not claimed. So these all things you can easily see. Now for that, the students were very panicking and confusing for that. So government has released this note. I have already made a video on this. So what they have told you is that students need not be under the perception that only the document verified students will be given the CET 2025 admission ticket. So even if your documents are not verified, you have filled the application form and you have paid the fees, then definitely you will be receiving the admission ticket and you will be eligible to write the exam. So do not worry that you will not be able to write the exam if your document is not verified. Okay, so first of all, that thing should be very clear. Next, all students who have paid the application fees and submitted the CET 2025 application online will be given the hall ticket. Okay. Now here something that is very important is non-Karnataka students are eligible for BSc nursing. So this is for non-Karnataka students. And here I want to add one more thing. I think I have missed that point. So you can verify your documents, after your PU2 exam. Okay, so that is the thing that I wanted to tell you. So you do not have to panic now if your documents are not verified. Just focus on your PU2 exams. Once the PU2 exams are over, you can go and verify your documents in your respective college by your principal. Okay, so that can be done. So do not worry for that. That was the main thing that I want to tell you. So once we are done with the exam, right, practical exam, agriculture exam, everything is over. After that, what is there? The big thing, that is your CET results. So CET results is also, the dates have not yet told, but yes, you can expect the results to be out in the month of May. Okay, like in the second or third week of May generally. Okay, so if I follow the last week, so results we can expect in the, results can be expected, I can say second or third week of May. Okay, it can be late also, so it is not very, I will go to the safer side. I will be on the safer side. It is, I will write 4th week of May or 1st week of June. Okay, so that is again very tentative. Once the dates are out, results are out, we will definitely let you know. Next, after that, what happens? Medical examination of physical disabled candidates. So if you are having any reservation or if you are claiming for physical disability, then your medical test will be conducted. For that also dates will be announced later. Submission of special category certificates in KEA Bangalore. So if you remember, while document verification in your colleges, these special category certificates were asked not to submit, right? That is because you will have a special date on which you can submit these documents. Okay, so that is there. For that also the dates will be announced later. Okay, now the things that you need to do, this is something which all of you should be doing. Okay, before that I want to introduce you to something. So we know our KCET examinations is very close and we have to prepare thoroughly for our exam because the competition is very high, right? And to help you with your with this competition, we have come up with 2 programs. So please understand carefully. The first program is our Lakshya KCET crash course. Okay, so this is an offline course. Please remember, offline course where you have to come to Bangalore to take these classes. Okay, we have both day scholar and residential program. So if you are not a resident of Bangalore, you want to stay in our hostel and study, the facilities are available. In this you will be getting the entire syllabus coverage. It is a 21-day program. Okay, so how many day program? It is a 21-day program. Entire syllabus will be covered. Your mock tests, practice tests, previous year questions, everything will be done. You will also be getting one-to-one doubt clearing sessions, and you will also be getting study hours where teachers will be available with you. Okay, so all your study hours will be under the monitor of the teacher. Okay, so that will help you to prepare thoroughly for this exam. Now in case if you do not have this bandwidth, or I can say if you do not have this opportunity to come and take the experience of this crash course, you can join our Abhyas KCET test series. Okay, so you know test series are very, very important to crack any exam. So for this you will be getting 35 tests in total, out of which 4 will be free and 31 will be paid, and you will be getting both part test and full length for all the subjects physics, chemistry, maths and bio. Okay, then you will be getting video solutions and detailed analysis from us as teachers. Will be discussing the solutions, will be giving the entire analysis of the paper. Apart from this, you will be getting one shot revision videos. You will be also getting chapter wise insight for last 5 years of KCET papers. In this, what we will be doing, we will be analyzing the questions of last 5 years per chapter. Each and every chapter will be analyzed, and from this chapter which are the most important topics from where we can expect the questions, that will be told to you by us. Okay, so yes, this test series is available at 1498 rupees. Now what you can do, if because we know your PU board exams are also approaching and we have our PU2 success blueprint test series as well, so if you add just 1 rupees extra for this and make it 1499, you will get the PU2 success blueprint test series completely. Okay, so it is, I cannot say it is free because we are charging ₹1 for that, but ₹1 is almost equal to being free, right? So I can say absolutely free you can get our PU2 success blueprint test series. Now if you want to register, the link will be there in the description section for both this crash course and for your test series. And if you have any queries, you want to clear any doubts, you can call on this number. So please note down this number, you can call here, our team will talk to you and clear all your doubts. Okay, any other thing if you want to know in the clarification, you can put down in the comment section, we will definitely address to it. Okay, now coming back to our topic, that is what we have to do. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to keep all your documents handy. So before the counseling process starts, once again the document verification process will be there, so please make sure that all your documents are ready and in the format that is given to you by KEA. If you want your income certificate, please refer to the format that is mentioned in the information bulletin of KEA. Based on that format only your documents should be ready. Okay, otherwise the documents are not considered as valid. Okay, first thing. Second thing, what we have, check the KEA page twice a day. So this is very important. So because KEA can release any update at any point of time, I will be checking every day, but yes, whenever you have time, at least once a day you should visit the KEA website, or you can inform your parents who can just go and check if any update is there. Or else if you are not able to do this one, then we have the best option for you, that is follow our channel Diksha Karnataka. You can see from the last year we have been completely working on KCET, every update, every thing, result, cutoff, everything we have been publishing, everything we have made that it is available to you. So please make sure that you follow our channel, you subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out on any important update. Okay, so yes, that's all students in this video, and I hope that now you have a clear picture what will happen. So basically you will be getting an admit card next you will be writing the exam, next the results will be out, and the fourth process will be the counseling process where you have to select colleges for your course. Okay, so I'll be talking about more about this when the counseling process exactly starts. It is a very important as well as a little complicated as well as a tidy process, but do not worry, I'll be there to guide you. Okay, that's all students, and see you soon in the next video, and I hope all of you are preparing well for your PU2 exam. So all the best.